Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Asus bundles like a Dragon game with graphic card purchase, AMD cancels higher-end RDNA 4 GPUs, Poco announces launch of Poco F6 in India, WhatsApp introduces profile picture screenshot blocking feature for iOS. Upcoming 5G phone launches in India. Honor 200 series launch. Honor partners with Zeiss for mobile optics development and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Asus offers Steam code for like a Dragon, Infinite Wealth and select Nvidia GeForce RTX 40 series and AMD Radeon RX 7000 series graphic cards. Promotion runs from 13 May to 8 July 2024, allowing gamers to receive game code with eligible purchases. Game code enables players to explore Japan and Huawei's criminal underworld in like a Dragon series. Purchase of Asus Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060 or above or Asus AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT or above qualifies for bundled game. AMD terminates development of higher-end RDNA 4 GPUs including Navi 4C SKU, Navi 4C intended to power Radeon RX 8900 XTX and 8900 XT models. RDNA 4 flagship rumored to feature complex chiplet-based design. Latest rumors suggest GPU with over 20 compute units, 100 dual compute units across 3 graphic compute dies. Poco confirms launch of Poco F6, the next top-end F-series phone in India on 23rd May. Teaser reveals similarities between Poco F6 and Redmi Turbo 3, hinting at Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 SoC. Golden color variant showcased in teaser image, with potential for additional color options. Global launch includes Poco F6 Pro alongside scheduled for in-person event in Dubai. WhatsApp rolls out feature to block profile picture screenshot on iOS. Following earlier release on Android, feature enhances privacy and security by preventing unauthorized access to users' display pictures. Profile picture screenshots considered invasion of privacy, prompting WhatsApp response to address user concerns. Beta version enables users to control access to their profile pictures, mitigating privacy risk. iQOO Z9X and Motorola H50 Fusion slated for May 16 launch, followed by Realme GT60 on 22 May and rumored Poco F6 on 23rd May. Multiple brands gearing up to introduce new 5G smartphones in Indian market in May 2024. iQOO Z9X anticipated to feature 120Hz LCD screen, Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC and 6000 mAh battery. Realme GT60 launch aligns with companies focused on offering 5G-enabled devices with competitive specifications. Poco F6 rumored to be global version of Redmi K70 powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. Honor 200 Lite already unveiled, anticipation grows for additional models in the series. Renders of Honor 200 Pro, the top-tier device, emerge, continuing the design language of its predecessor. Honor 100 Pro design features dual-tone back with glass and Fox ladder elements for a premium look. Oval camera island on Honor 200 Pro houses a trio of cameras including a periscope lens with 50x digital zoom capability. Vivo and Zeiss extend joint research and development efforts to enhance mobile imaging solutions. Collaboration focuses on exploring new technologies and pushing boundaries in mobile optics. Agreement underscores commitment to sustainable innovation and user-centric development. Joint efforts result in development of various technologies including Zeiss optical lenses and T-coatings. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं विघ्नेश आपका दिल दोस्त। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में लेकर आए हैं हम एक बहुत ही स्पेशल एपिसोड आई से इंस्टाग्राम मार्केटिंग और आईटी वॉइस। ये दो टूल्स और प्लेटफॉर्म आपकी बिजनेस और नॉलेज दोनों को एलिवेट और एक्सपैंड करते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम के बारे में सबने सुना है, ये एक पावर हाउस प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पर आप अपनी ब्रांड प्रेजेंस को एम्पलीफाई कर सकते हैं। इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर एंगेजिंग कंटेंट शेयर करके ऑडियंस को इंस्पायर और अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, जिससे ब्रांड लॉयल्टी और रिकॉग्निशन बढ़ सकती है। और अब बात करते हैं आईटी वॉइस की। आईटी वॉइस एक लीडिंग टेक मीडिया हाउस है It is India's premier IT magazine and newspaper with India's first daily tech news OTT. IT Voice आपको लेटेस्ट इंडस्ट्री इंसाइट, लेटेस्ट टेक न्यूज और इंसाइट्स प्रोवाइड कराता है, कीपिंग यू अहेड इन द डिजिटल गेम। तो दोस्तों, इंस्टाग्राम यूज करते रहिए, IT Voice को जरूर फॉलो करिए अपने बिजनेस को और भी वाइब्रेंट और विजिबल बनाने के लिए। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट J के साथ।